Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Matthias here. So today we're going to do a completely different video. We're going to do an iPhone XR review, and as you know I use a lot of Apple products in my videos and always used Apple Macs for recording my drums with Logic Pro 10. And yeah, let's get back to the studio, well, my bedroom. It's absolutely freezing out here. Even in the box it just looks amazing. So I went for the 64 gig in black. I did look at the other options, select the blue one and the red one, but I just thought let's just go all black, and it kind of removes that extra thick bezel. Obviously, as you can see here, it's got more of a bezel than the 10s Max, the 10 and the 10s. But yeah, let's open it up. Here it is. Let's do it the right way up. Documentation first. We don't need to read that. Wow. Look at that. 64 gig black edition iPhone XR. This is actually my first time ever touching one. Wow, look at this. Just look at the back of it. Beautiful. Obviously you can tell I'm an absolute Apple geek. But yeah, this is looking really, really nice. I love that aluminium band on it, and obviously it's a tiny bit more thicker than what a 10s would be. But the thing is that it's just got the same features what I want. Portrait mode on both cameras, got the True Tone display. Even though it's not got an OLED panel, I still quite like the 720p LCD screen. So here you have your, just the power supply, power bank thing. Then, oh wow, you don't have the case for the AirPods now. But yeah, these AirPods cable for lightning connector, and when you've got USB cable, it's pretty cool. It's always nice having them. And wow, got the classic Apple stickers. What else do you expect? But so before I bought this, I ordered these at the same time. What I highly recommend. You need one of these when you buy a XR, because Apple have stopped giving them in the box now. £9 from the Apple store. It's even though it's £9 for just a little adapter, it's so worth it. And I'd get one of those, and I've bought one of these, just a, what is it, tempered glass screen protector, and yeah, it supports for 3D touch, and does it all the way around, protects the camera as well. And I've just bought this new case as well. It's just a glass back case. It just looks really, really smart for the black iPhone XR. But yeah, that's what you get in the box. You get the XR, you get the AirPods with the lightning connector, USB, and you get your documentation as well. That's kind of the boring part, isn't it? But yeah, let's turn this phone on. So now we're going to turn on the phone, and let's get this peel away. Oh, it's a nice part of doing it. Oh, my fingerprints are away. There we go. Where's the home button? There it is. So this is so much of a bigger display than my old phone. Obviously I said I had the 6 before, it's just down there. I'm using it as a prop. But yeah, I've been so used to this 6 for the past 2 years. It's been amazing. But yeah, I just thought, just to keep up with tech. Oh, look at this. So yeah, it's the notch is bigger than I thought, but bigger than I remembered using an iPhone 10. But yeah, it's an amazing phone though, and it's got my fingerprints on already. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to be using this, and I will be giving a fuller depth video on a week later on my first impressions of the iPhone XR, and I will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of it and what I love about it. So it just gives me enough time to get used to it. So yeah, I'd like to thank you everyone for watching this video, and if any new subscribers on this channel, thanks for subscribing. Remember to like the video as always, and if you want to see any more product reviews like these, or just any like vlogging type videos, just comment below and tell me what you most enjoyed about this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.